Hello, welcome to today's tutorial on demo content import for the fashion store WooCommerce theme. Firstly, go to the appearance theme to add a new theme. Then click on upload theme and choose the file. For choosing file, select the exact zip file of it. Then install now. Keep some patience for a few seconds. After completing, click on activate and get a bunch of recruit plugins to begin installing. So select all the plugins to install and apply now. While done, click on Return to the required plugins installer and again select all to activate. Then apply. After that, back to the dashboard, appearance, then import demo data. This is the interface of it. Here you will get two types: import, auto and manual. Under this, you will get several demos. Click on any one of it to continue and import. Click on it and wait for the importing content. After completing, you will get this stunning fashion store WooCommerce theme. With Fasheno, you will get more than 7 eye-catching home pages, which allows you to create your beautiful WooCommerce store in minutes and leave a long-lasting impression on everyone watching it for the first time. The best thing about all the shop pages is that each one comes with essential store elements such as the cart, checkout, compare, wishlist, product sorting, Ajax filter, and etc. to keep customers engaged for a prolonged time and increase sales. This is how you can import this demo content of fashion store WooCommerce. Thank you for watching.